The other day we have done semi-average method and also moving average method, 3 years, 5 years and 4 years. So today we will be doing the next method, that is the method of least squares. So fit a straight line trend by the method of least squares. First we'll start with odd number of years. Find the trend values and predict the sales for the year 2020. Here from 2002 to 2008 is given. So total number of years is 7. Sales also they have given. Now here in time series we have said that y is the dependent variable and x is the independent variable. So the values of y will depend upon the values of x. So x here is time. So here the year is given. So it is an yearly, on the yearly basis. So we will take x as 1 year. We will start from the middle of the distribution. The middle year will be our base year, which will be 0. Then from 2005 to 2004, we are going back. So it is -1. Then 2005 is our base year. 2005 is our base year. From 2005 to 2003, we are going 2 years back. So -2. And for 2002, it is -3. Clear? Similarly, 2005 is the base year, it is 0. 2006, it is 1 year we are going forward. 2007, 2 years. And 2008 is 3 years. So here, your summation x will be equal to 0. Okay, so these are numericals, and these symbols and alphabets the system won't accept. Summation y is equal to 315, so I have written it below that. This is summation y is 315, summation x is equal to 0. Now we will square these. X square
Ma'am,
we
how
will
to
take.
take base year, ma'am?
Yes,
Base year, how to take, ma'am?
the middle year we will take it as the base year. The middle
Okay,
year
ma'am.
will be 0, because see here, the method of least squares, the formula is yc is equal to a plus bx. Okay, so how did we
Yes, ma'am.
get this formula? Yc is equal to a plus bx. So this formula we can apply only if your summation x is equal to 0. If summation x is equal to 0, then only we can use this formula yc is equal to a plus bx. Okay, so in order to make summation x is equal to 0, if we take 2005 or the middle year as 0, then if it is an odd number, we will get all minus values here, because the time interval is 1 year. If it is more than 1 year, we cannot use this method. So because the time interval is 1 year for all of them, if we take the middle year as 0, then we can take -1, 2, 3 and here 1, 2, 3. So our summation x will be equal to 0. So we have to,
0.
in order to use this formula, yc is equal to a plus bx, we have to see that our summation x, it is the assumption that if summation x is equal to 0, then only we can use this formula yc is equal to a plus bx, where a is equal to summation y by n and b is equal to summation xy by x square. In order to take these values, your summation x is should be equal to 0. That is why we are taking the middle year as 0. Clear? Oh. Square.
here 9.
Just a minute. Minus 3 into minus 3 is 9.
4.
4 1
9, 4,
9410.
1.
28,
4,
ma'am.
9.
Yeah, 28.
Oh,
Okay. Then
Yes,
మళ్ళీ
ma'am.
ఇప్పుడు
x into y is xy. So this
Minus
is
105.
minus 168,
okay.
minus 168,
No, ma'am. Minus
Ma'am, no, 84, ma'am.
minus 84, ma'am.
Minus 84,
Which one?
ma'am. XY.
After 105.
Yes,
Yeah,
Yeah,
correct.
yeah.
You
Just
got it.
look at the screen.
Yeah.
Is this
Yeah.
correct?
Minus 44.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
91 అంత కరెక్టేగా
Summation xy is 64.
64, ma'am.
Okay. So x is 0, summation x is 0, summation y is 315, summation x square is 28, and summation xy is 64. Now,
64.
when summation x is equal to 0, what is A? A is equal to summation y,
బై ఎన్
that
By
is
n.
315 is summation x, divided by n is 7, 45.
45.
Okay.
45.
What is B? Summation xy, that is 64,
28.
divided by 28.
2.28.
2.28.
So we will take up to 3 digits. If we take 2 digits, it is taking 2.29,
2.29, ma'am.
2.3 digits, 3 decimals will take. Okay?
2.285.
Okay.
285.
Then now you substitute it in this formula. Yc is equal to what is a plus bx? A is 45
45 plus
plus
45
2.286. Okay. Now
47.285.
we have to find out the trend. This is the trend value. Yc is the trend value which we have found out by the method of least squares. So now we have to find out the trend values for each year. So for the year 2002, what will be Yc? 45 plus 2.286 or 285 is also okay, into what is the value of x? Minus
3. 44.285.
How much did you get?
మరి నేను క్లాస్ ఇన్ ఫోన్ చేద్దాను ఎవరికి బ్యాలెన్స్
44,285. Ma'am, how ma'am?
What is the answer you got?
38.142.
Students, please mute yourselves.
38.16, ma'am. I took 2 digits, ma'am. I took 2.28. I got 38.16.
38.142.
4.286.
No, ma'am, 44.286.
Yes, ma'am, 44.286.
44.286.
286.
Minus 3.
Yes.
44.286, ma'am.
Mom, 38.14 something, mom.
Yes, ma'am, 38.142. No, ma'am, we are getting 44.286.
Just a minute.
Yes, ma'am.
Wait.
44.286.
43.8.
Here, in the place of x, we have to
Take minus 3.
minus 3. So minus
Huh.
3 into 2.286, how much?
Minus 6.858.
Minus 6.856.
0.714. Zero point 174.
0.858 I got.
No, ma'am.
No? 0.286 into.
0.174, ma'am.
No? Please check. 858 only I got. Even with the calculator.
6.858, ma'am.
6.856, ma'am.
See. 0.286 into 3. 0.585. Sorry, 858 minus. So it will be 45 minus 0.858.
No, ma'am.
Am I clear?
It's 6.858.
Ma'am, it's
858,
6.858,
ma'am.
ma'am.
6.856, ma'am.
6.858, ma'am.
Okay, I have only taken 0.286. Just a minute. Okay, so this is 2.286, no?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. 6.858, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So now this is 45.
38.142.
Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
38.142. 38.142. Yes. Similarly, we have to do for the rest also. For the year 2003, please do it fast now. It is
40.428.
$40.428, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. 40.428.
428.
okay.
40.428.
Similarly,
42.7.
what is for the
42.714.
year 2003?
40.428. 40.48.
is
Ma'am.
40.483.
2004 is 7.
No, ma'am. 2000 40.428, ma'am. 428.
Not
40.428.
40.428.
Okay.
$42.714.
Good.
0.714.
Okay.
Fifth one is 0.
This will be 45, no? Why 0? Addition, no?
40. Ah, yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
45.
45.
Okay. Are you all connected? Are you able to see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Forty-seven point two eight
286,
six,
ma'am.
47.286.
47.
47 point. Yes, ma'am.
286. Okay.
47.286.
Okay.
54.144.
Point
49.57. No, ma'am. 49.572.
572.
Hey, wrong.
Point into
50.286.
51.858.
no. This is 51 point.
858.
51.858.
Okay.
51.858.
858. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then we need to calculate for the year 2010. They have asked us to calculate for the year 2010. So we will use the same table. We will use the same table. And if 2005 is the base year, we have taken it is 0. If there was 2009 and 2010, 2008 is from 2005 to 2008, it is 3. So if 2009 was there, it would have been
5.
4. If 2010, it would have been 5. So our x would
5.
have
5.
been 5 in the year 2010. So now what will we do? 45 plus 2.286 into 5.
Acha.
Okay.
5 plus 2.286 into 5.
So 2.286 into 5.
56.43, ma'am.
56.43.
Okay. So
Done.
6.4. So for the for the year, here they have asked in the question, find the trend values and predict the sales for the year 2010. So after you finish the problem, you calculate separately for 2010 because there is no column here for 2010. Calculate separately and write the sales for the year 2010 is 56.4. Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, if the years were like not in a 1 year gap, then what we should do, ma'am?
Then we will assume that that year also is given. Suppose here instead of 2003, 2001 is given. Then usually he will
Yes.
we will take this as 5. Okay. From 2005 to 2001, how many years? So we will assume that 2002 is also given and we will do it. Or we will do it by another method, by the method of simultaneous equations, where we will solve those equations, find out the value of A. And you cannot use this formula then. Because if the year,
Okay.
instead of 2002, if 2001 is given, then this 3 will not be there. It will become 4. So here -1, -2, -4. So it is 7 and here this is 6. So -1, your summation x value will be equal to -1 then. So if x is equal to 0, then only you can use this formula. A is equal to summation y by n and b is equal to summation xy by summation x square. If it is not, if your summation x is not equal to 0, in that case, if you get it is equal to -1, then you cannot use this formula. Then you have to use yc is equal to a plus bx. Then you have to just show you. For this, you need to add this whole equation with, you have to multiply this whole equation with x. Then you have to multiply this equation with summation 2 times. So you'll get equation 1 and equation 2. If you solve those two simultaneous equations, you can do the problem. So that we will do in the coming classes once we finish this. Okay. So this method, okay, odd number of years.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. There are only 5 minutes are left in this class. So we will join again. I will end the meeting and we'll join again. Okay.
Over, ma'am, now.